Let's do one really quick video just to troubleshoot on setting up the desktop app for Claude Cowork. So Cowork sometimes does not show up or doesn't work, meaning that if you're here in the desktop app at the top left, you can see I have chat, Cowork, and code. In some cases, your Cowork may be grayed out or may not be here at all. If so, you have to follow one of these steps. And this happens, I've only seen it on Windows, but not on a Mac. So that's where it most often happens. And I'll post this in the notes on the video so you can copy and paste from it. But you may have to run this diagnostic and it will tell you what the issue is. What has fixed it almost every time is enabling the virtual machine. And you also may get, I should show you, this error sometimes that says administrator access is required to install a Claude with full features and so on. So that could be another way you get the error is when you're installing it. And so then you adjust, if you're in a Windows machine, which I'm not, so I can't walk through the whole process, you would just go to the start button, and these instructions are pretty good. Start typing terminal, right click on terminal, don't left click, click run as administrator, you'll click yes, and then you would just paste in this command. It'll then run, you'll restart the computer, and you should be good to go. That's the most common fix. If not, you may have to try some of these other ones also. Again, I will paste the whole thing into the notes. But that does happen sometimes. And Claude already made it a little bit easier. They did fix it because at first the button wasn't showing up at all for Cowork. Now you're getting more warnings like this so you know earlier on that there's an issue. So this will probably get better quickly, but either way, I figured I'd make a quick video on how to fix it.